We need to check the other component, the filling valve. One of the most common reasons of water leakage as well as overflow is due to the cistern filling valve getting clogged from salt deposits, dirt, scaling or contamination on the diaphragm washer of the flush valve. This is a common issue which can be fixed in simple steps. Before removing the filling valve, stop the flow of water by closing the angle valve inside. Empty the water in the tank by lifting the blue lever of the flush valve. Remove the filling valve by lifting the clip that connects the angle valve and the filling valve. Dismantle the seal set by turning it anti-clockwise. Remove the diaphragm washer and clean it. Insert the diaphragm washer in the seal set. Secure the seal set. Assemble the filling valve back to its original condition. Fit the filling valve back by securing it to the angle valve. Start the flow of water by turning the angle valve. Place the support block. Place the inner cover. Fasten the flush plates.